Guys, Apple's most anticipated iPhone is finally closer than ever. After years of rumors, leaks, and delays, multiple trusted sources now believe Apple's first ever foldable iPhone, commonly called the iPhone Fold, could make its debut at the September 2026 Apple event. But is it really happening, or is this just another rumor? Let's break down everything that's been reported so far. Guys, according to Mac rumors and reports, based on supply chain information and analyst expectations, Apple is currently expected to unveil the iPhone Fold alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max during its September 2026 event. The foldable iPhone is rumored to feature a book-style design with a 7.8-inch inner display and a 5.5-inch outer display. Apple is reportedly focusing on creating a device with a nearly invisible crease, a premium titanium and aluminum frame, and a more durable hinge than current foldable phones. Performance is expected to be powered by Apple's A20 chip, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. Some reports also suggest Apple may replace Face ID with a side-mounted Touch ID to save internal space inside the foldable design. As for pricing, don't expect it to be cheap, making it one of the most expensive iPhones Apple has ever built. However, there's one important catch. Some recent reports claim the announcement is still on track for September, while others warn that manufacturing challenges could delay availability or result in very limited stock during the initial launch. So even if Apple announces it in September, getting one immediately may not be easy. Remember, Apple has not officially confirmed the iPhone Fold. Every feature, specification, launch date, and price mentioned here is based on reliable leaks and industry reports, not an official Apple announcement. So if Apple finally unveils the iPhone Fold this September, would you buy it, or would you wait for the second generation? Let me know in the comments. And if you want verified Apple leaks, tech news, and upcoming device updates, make sure to subscribe the Upgrade Zone and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.